The camera software of Samsung Galaxy S23 handsets is receiving a new update that includes several improvements such as better autofocus, enhanced image processing, and more. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is emerging as the top contenders for the best Android smartphones of 2023, even though it's still early. However, despite being impressive devices, they are not flawless, and Samsung is already working on improvements for the line. The latest update emphasizes enhancements to the cameras, aiming to enhance their performance. Samsung has made the full details of the update available on its forums. The update is identified as firmware version S91XNKCU1AWC8 and has a large file size of 922.88 megabytes. However, the update is currently only available to Samsung Galaxy S23 series users in South Korea. Although it is expected to be released in other regions, Samsung has not provided a specific timeline for the release. According to Sam Mobile, the update is expected to roll out in other regions next month. The latest update brings numerous changes, with most of them aimed at improving the camera. One significant change is the removal of a restriction that prevented users from taking a photo if the autofocus wasn't locked into the subject. This not only caused a slight delay when pressing the shutter, but it also limited users' ability to capture the moment as they wanted. With this update, users can now take photos freely, regardless of whether or not the subjects are in focus. However, if users prefer the previous setting where autofocus engages before taking a photo, that option is still available. Samsung has made some improvements to its camera software, including adding more sharpening to the images. This might sound unnecessary, but it could be helpful in various situations. The update also includes a new warning message that pops up when there isn't enough light to take a good photo. Additionally, the algorithm that prevents banding in the sky when taking photos in poor lighting has been improved. Finally, users can expect better image stabilization when recording 1080p 60 frames per second video. The update also resolves an issue where a green line would appear on the left side of the screen when using the camera. These are just a few of the fixes that Samsung has implemented with this latest update. In addition to camera enhancements, the update also includes the April 2023 security patch. Currently, the firmware is only available in South Korea, but Samsung is expected to expand its rollout to other countries soon. The company has also released a companion camera assistant update with new settings, so users should ensure they update it from the Galaxy Store. That concludes today's update. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.